Hello students, today we will discuss about the mole concept. Mole is the measurement in chemistry. It is the measurement unit. It is used to express the amount of the chemical substance. It will tell the amount of the substance present in any compound. Mole is the SI unit for the amount of the substance. Now what is 1 mole? 1 mole is defined as the amount of substance. It is the amount of substance of a system which contains as many entities like atom, molecule and ion as there are atoms in the 12 gram of carbon 12. Avogadro number. The number of particles present in 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. This is called Avogadro number or Avogadro constant. 1 mole of hydrogen atom represents 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 hydrogen atom. 1 mole of any substance has a mass equal to its molar mass, which is the sum of atomic masses of the constituent atom. The mole concepts provide a way to quantify the substance in terms of both mass and number of the particle. It will count the mass as well as number of the particles, whether atom, molecules or ion. Just as a dozen. Dozen means 12. When you count dozen, it means there is the thing which is 12 in number. And a mole means its amount is 6.022 multiplies 10 raised to power 23 particles. This allows chemists to easily count the vast number of tiny particles. Chemists can count the number of atoms, number of molecules and number of ions in a sample. Number of moles is equal to weight of the substance by molar mass. Number of moles represented by the N and weight of the substance represented by the small m and molar mass by capital M. If we want to count the number of atoms, then formula is number of atom is equal to given mass by molar mass into Avogadro number. Number of atom is N and given mass is small m and molar mass is capital M and Avogadro number is N0. If we count the number of atom, molecules, ion, particles, then the formula will be N is equal to small m by capital M into N0, where N0 is the Avogadro number and Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. This is the mole concept. Thank you.